Day 14. Reading 1. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. It is about the same size as Earth, but has so many different features. Unlike the Earth, Venus spins clockwise, so the Sun comes up in the west there. In addition, it takes only 225 days for Venus to go around the Sun, because it goes around the Sun in a smaller circle. An interesting thing is that on Venus, the days are longer than the years are. That's because Venus spins very slowly, so a day on Venus is as long as 243 Earth days. Then, is it possible to live on Venus? No. People standing on Venus would be crushed to death by the air pressing down on them. Moreover, the clouds of carbon dioxide hold heat, making Venus too hot to live on. Besides, this heat has boiled away the water on Venus, which means there's no water there. Day 14. Reading 2. What happens to astronauts in space? In space, they can't stand or walk. They float. It changes the astronauts' bodies and brains. For example, they get about 1.5 inches taller. Their hearts get smaller because the blood in their bodies moves up to their heads. Also, their bones and muscles get weaker. To keep them strong, astronauts must exercise every day. The brain also changes in space. About 65% of astronauts get motion sickness in space. They may also sweat and have headaches. Other changes in the brain make it difficult to stand and walk for the first few days back on Earth. Scientists study these changes to keep astronauts healthy in space for a longer time. Then, astronauts can take longer trips to visit other planets.